Hello, this video will be the third video in the series to create a basic ad hoc filter. And the third video is about the output formatting. So this video assumes that you've already done the field selection, the filter parameters, and now we're going to be working on the output formatting. So here you've got your query name. And again, if you want to add a short description here, you can. And then here is the area where we're going to be working on right now. The format output file report. So here's a checkbox that you can use if each output needs to have distinct or unique records. You can check and turn that on. Then you'll see over here that these are the fields that we selected when we did our field selection, and it is asking us some questions about those fields. Number one, it says output. Do we want that output to show up on the report? Well, I want the student ID number, I want their names, their grade, their gender, but I don't want to show on the report if they were active today. All I care about is that the filter meets that criteria, so I'm going to remove that because I don't need to see that information. Right now, my filter data would be displayed by, the first column would be their student ID number, then their name, then their grade, then their gender. I want to change that order. I want their last name to be first and their first name to be second. Then I want their student ID number. Then I want their grade. And then I want their gender. So I can change the sequence. If I want this information to be sorted by, right now it's going to be sorted by the student's last name because that's what I have as first. If I wanted it to be sorted by something other than that, then I could go in and put the sort order that I want in there. But that's the way I want it, so I'm going to leave it there. On my column header right now will show up as student.studentNumber. I want to change this so it says ID number. Then on their last name, I just want it to say last name instead of student.last name. Here I want it to say first name. Then I'm going to change this to grade, then gender. Just makes it a little bit easier to read. Right now they all default to aligning to the left. If you want some other alignment, you can certainly select that here. On the formatting, if you want everything to be uppercase or all lowercase, or if you want some space fill or zero padding, you can do that in there. And also if you need to designate how wide you want those columns to be, you can come in here and designate the column length. At this point, so what I've done is I've just gone in and reordered how I want the information to appear on the report. I don't need to see if they were active today. That's not important to me. And I went in and gave the information unique column headers. So right now I'm just going to click on Save. I could have also clicked on Save and Test, and what that would have done is save the information and then bring it up into another tab or a browser window so I could view the information. But again, because of FERPA, I'm not going to do that right now. I will show you the final output with some generic names for students. So this is the third video about how you can do the output formatting for your ad hoc filters.